This is your cookery teacher, Ma'am Karel B. Labrador. In this video, I am going to discuss the basic components of a sandwich and its types. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the basic components of a sandwich, describe the function of each component, and distinguish hot and cold sandwich. Is this a sandwich? Is this a sandwich? How about this one? Are you confused of what really a sandwich is? How does it being made?
Sandwich refers to a food item consists of two or more slices of bread with spread and fillings. It is easy to prepare and nutritious that the family members will surely love and enjoy it. Sandwich is composed of three basic components. Sandwich is composed of three basic components: the base or structure, moistening agent, and the filling. Base or structure is the part upon which the ingredients are placed. It is consists of some part of bread or dough produced that is whole or sliced. These are the examples of base or structure of a sandwich.
And the next component of a sandwich is the moistening agent. It is meant to bind the sandwich, providing an improvement of both flavor and texture. It also acts as the protective layer between the spread and the filling, preventing the filling from softening or wetting the bread.
These are the moistening agent used in preparing sandwich. And the last component of a sandwich is the filling. It consists of two or more ingredients that are stacked, layered, or fold on the structure to form the sandwich. The filling can either be hot or cold, or comes in various forms of cooked, cured meat, fruits, vegetables, salad, or any combination of them. Remember that the filling is the heart of a sandwich. Sandwiches could either be hot or cold. Cold sandwiches are usually served cold or at room temperature, and its fillings are readily available and spreadable. Whereas hot sandwiches are consist of hot fillings, usually meat, but sometimes fish or grilled vegetables or other hot items. For the cold sandwiches, we have the open-face sandwich, the regular cold sandwich, the pinwheel sandwich, the tea sandwich, the multi-decker, and the wrap or rolled sandwiches.
And for the hot sandwiches, we have the hot regular sandwich, hot open-face sandwich, grilled sandwich, deep fried sandwich, filled rolls, focaccia, or pita bread. Now, let us distinguish the different types of cold sandwiches. Open-faced sandwiches make use of one kind of bread with the filling on top. Slices of bread are cut into triangles, squares, or rounds. Butter is spread lightly on top, and pieces of cheese or meat fillings are garnished and arranged attractively like that of biscuits, cookies, or toast instead of using breads. Regular cold sandwich is a plain sandwich made up of two slices of bread, preferably a day-old bread or toasted if desired, and on which the butter can be readily spread. Its crust may or may not be removed depending on your preferences. Butter, mayonnaise, or any prepared sandwich bread can be used as lining to prevent bread from absorbing moisture from the filling. Moreover, it ensures that the filling and the bread stick together. Pinwheel sandwiches are made of bread cut lengthwise, about 3/8 inch thick. Fresh cream bread is preferable to use because it is easy to roll and will not crack. Trim crust and flatten long slices using a rolling pin. Spread bread with softened butter or margarine or your choice of any smooth filling like cream cheese, marmalades, cheese pimiento, peanut butter, or even jams and jellies. Smooth fillings are used because they will not have bulk or and they can be spread thinly. Roll bread like a jelly roll. Another type of cold sandwiches is the tea sandwich. It is a small fancy sandwich made from light, delicate ingredients and bread that has been trimmed of crust. They are often cut into fancy shaped rectangles, squares, and oblongs. Fillings and spreads are the same as to those for canapes. Multi-decker sandwich is another type of cold sandwich. It is made up of more than two slices of bread and with several ingredients in the filling. The clubhouse sandwich is the most popular multi-decker sandwich that is made up of three slices of toast bread and filled with sliced chicken, mayonnaise, lettuce, bacon, and tomato. Then it is cut into four triangles. Type of cold sandwiches are the rolled or wrap sandwiches. Wraps are sandwiches in which the fillings are wrapped in a large flour tortilla of similar flat bread like the Mexican burrito. They may be served whole or sliced if it is large. Now let us have the different types of hot sandwiches. First, we have the regular hot sandwich. It is a simple sandwich consists of hot fillings, usually meat, but sometimes fish, grilled vegetables, or other hot items between the two slices of bread. They may also contain items that are not hot, like onion and tomato on a hamburger. Another type of hot sandwich is the hot open face sandwich. This is made by placing buttered or unbuttered bread on a serving plate and covering it with a hot meat or other hot filling and topping with sauce, gravy, cheese, or other toppings. This type of sandwich is eaten with a knife and fork. Next is the grilled sandwiches. These are also called as toasted sandwiches. These are simple sandwiches that are buttered on the outside and browned on the griddle or in a hot oven. These sandwiches contain cheese that are popular for grilling. Let us include also in the hot sandwiches the deep fried sandwiches. These are made by dipping sandwiches in a beaten egg and sometimes in the breadcrumbs and then deep fry. And the last type of hot sandwiches are the filled rolls, focaccia, or pita bread. These are flavored breads served with dips like quesadillas and burritos. Now that you can already distinguish hot and cold sandwiches and identify its components, I want you to remember this. Sandwiches are snacks or meals that are very simple to prepare yet fulfilling. The preparation of a sandwich teaches us to appreciate simple things in life. Remember that in the most simple things, we can find true happiness.